I'm in Nature Republic. I'm going to show you some vocabs about here we are in body care section, and also we have some makeup stuffs here. Okay girls, listen to me this time. So a lot of people mistaken this as hand body, which is the correct one is body lotion. And next we have nail polish, my favorite. Okay guys, next, oh here we have hand cream. We use it for moisturizing our hands. Okay, now let's see this one. I think most girls know this by now. So actually most people say it's blush on when it's actually not. It's called blush or blusher. Here we can see the name is blusher, but why do most people say it's blush on? It's because when you put it on your cheek, it's like blush on your cheeks like that. Okay, and this one is called loose powder. You can see the texture from the back. Actually, what's the difference between them? It's when you use loose powder, it's more natural finish look. I like this one more. Okay, now we are in the skincare section. Here, I'm going to tell you and explain about the variety of masks and which one you should choose. Okay, first we have this type. It's called AHA, as you can see. This is best when you feel like you want to deep cleanse your skin from pollution, and when you feel like your skin is like heavy from dirty stuff.